What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Back with another video. Now, I just got these packages and it's something that I'm going to be working on a car, so I wanted to share with you guys. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get right into it. All right, it's right over here. You know what I'm saying? Got these boxes, so let's just open this up. Man. Put it over here and open this up. Yeah, so something I'm gonna be doing. So we're gonna see what this is. So this side right here. Yeah, I know y'all probably like, yo, this guy's using a knife to open the box. You know, that's crazy. Yeah, I ain't got no box cutter, so, you know, I'm just using it to open the box. Right? Okay, put that right over here. And let's see. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Rip that off. Yeah, guys, this is what it is. You know what I'm saying? This is what it is right here. Tough stuff. You know what I'm saying? Multi-purpose foam cleaner. So it's like if you have like a deep cleaning for fabric, carpet, and vinyl. You know what I'm saying? Definitely works. You know, so if you got like you know, fabric seat like the ones that I got, this right here definitely works. You know what I'm saying? Definitely works right here. So that's good. You know, let's see what else does it what else does it let's see, auto boat, home and stuff. So I guess you could use it on other stuff, like if you're home, you could use it there too. Okay, so that's out the way. Let's sew this one here. Alright, open that up and open here. Yeah, I got no shoes on. Yeah. Okay. Open that right over there. Alright. Okay, got that open. Let's see what we got here. Oh, alright. It's Amazon. Yeah, hold on a second, guys. Yeah, guys, so let's open this up. Let's see what this is. Oh, look at that. A bunch of microfiber rags. And these are the Amazon basics. You know what I'm saying? Microfiber cleaning cloth. You know what I mean? So guys, so I'm gonna be basically using on the car, you know what I mean, on my Dodge Charger. So I hope you guys stay tuned. You know, basically this is a short video just to show you guys that you know, that you know, posting up stuff, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see you guys, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, so you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys have a good night. See you later. All right, later, y'all.